Welcome back to Mail Like Art. My name is Mikki, and today I bought something that I don't need. But I'm a collector, so I'm collecting. That's how I'm rationalizing it. So I saw this on Instagram. Somebody had it, and it looked really cool, and I couldn't help myself. So this is it. This is a Meeden company, which usually sells on AliExpress, and this is a 42 student watercolor set. But what's really cool about it is that it does this. And when you're on the go, you can just flip them aside and find your color that you're looking for. And you can use this for a mixing area, which is not very big. But I thought that if I ordered this and I didn't like the paints, I could easily make my own out of this. But when they arrived, I just figured out these are just too thin. They're just too thin. So the paints that have been glued on here, are just really, really thin. These will not last long. So this is literally for people who are out in the field who want to do a little quick sketch to bring home. I'm gonna just fill this up. And I have this enormous water bucket over here, so yeah, and I'm gonna swatch this out. This little brush that comes with it. Reading up on AliExpress, I guess they improved the brush. The brush wasn't quite as good before. It's got a terrible point to it, so that's not very helpful. The other thing that's not helpful is you get numbers for colors, and they all start with a C. So this would be CO1, CO2, CO3, and so on. And but I don't know. I'm a gadget person. I had to buy it and I had to figure it out, and I definitely want to swatch them. So I have made 42 boxes here, and why don't I just go ahead and show you what they're like first before I swatch them. That way you can decide for yourself whether they're worth the trouble for you. You can find these on Amazon and AliExpress. They're one of their new items, apparently, I guess. And this is very thin watercolor paper. So why don't I just go ahead and use their brush that they give. So just want to see how bad this is going to be. Bad or good this is going to be. Seems okay. Which color should we do? And there seems to be a little bit of doubling up, but the pigments are definitely different from each other. Like this is more of a sap green, this is more of an evergreen, and this is more of an olive green. I'm just afraid these are going to fall out. But these browns, they look pretty similar, and if you want to get that color way up there, you got to really reach. Let's actually go for this one. It seems to look like a phthalo blue or cerulean. So wow, that picked up immediately. I did not even need to wet that first. Whoa, I'm actually stunned. I thought it was going to be really like cheap seeming. So this is the color that's below that. Hi, Minnie. I left her outside because she's really meowy today. She's been stretching a lot, so I think it's time to take her to the doctor because she's overweight and I think her belly is feeling yucky. So what do you think so far? These are not bad. Oops. I think this is a brown. Nope. Oh, weird. It's brown there, but this is the color that comes out. Weird. Interesting. I really like that dark color too. Hi, Minnie. You're okay. It's all right, Minnie. Now, the other thing is, are they going to stick together when I close this up and they're wet? All things to consider with new gadgets. So, this could be a total pain for someone, but also for someone on the go, that could be a good total delight. So, it seems like you could probably unscrew this and use them separately too. So just line them up. So they are drying pretty quickly. Let me go ahead and do the actual swatches in a time lapse, and I'll be right back. So I'm back with the results of the swatches, and I have written the names of the colors that I've compared to my professional colors that are in my palette, and as best I could, I matched the name to the color, because everything that is on here is just a C and a number, a C and a number. So, so far we have Chinese white, lemon yellow, permanent yellow, cad yellow deep, I'm guessing, gamboge, yellow orange, permanent orange, alizarin gold-ish. It's very different. I don't know what this is. Very more orange than alizarin gold. French vermilion, permanent red, permanent rose, magenta, rose madder, quin violet. Correct me if I'm wrong on any of these, but this is my guess. Venetian PR101, and this is like a deep English red. Ultramarine violet, because it's definitely granulating like the ultramarine blue. I'm some kind of violet, deep violet, a green yellow, May green, emerald, green gold, sap green, olive green, viridian, phthalo green, hooker's green, ultramarine blue light, because it is just a lighter version of the ultramarine blue, cyan, cobalt, I may have these mixed up, turquoise, ultramarine blue, cerulean blue, phthalo blue, Prussian, indigo, yellow ochre, raw umber, raw sienna, burnt umber. So you get everything with this. I mean, all of these colors, and you even get the granulation in the ultramarine blue. It's amazing. I cannot believe that this $19 palette has all of these really great colors in it, and I'm sure the light fastness test on it will suck, but I mean, you cannot go wrong with all of these colors. It's fun to do this, and they dry quickly after you use them. I'm not sure how long these will last, but it's a nice size, so you can just throw it in your purse or whatever. And it does do this. It'll fall out, so get like an elastic or something and put it around when it's not in use. The brush is okay. I mean, it's pretty, this stuff is, economical. So, let's just use something over here. I mean, it's pretty good. Oops. And you squirt out water and it comes out really fast. So keep that in mind. The only mixing area on this is right up here, and I would never use it because it all beads up so much that, I don't know, I would probably carry around, my little dragon needs to step aside. I would probably bring something like this with me, some kind of ceramic plate or whatever. But all in all, I love this so much, and I think I will order another one just in case, because the little wells here are so shallow. You're not going to get much use out of these for a long time. So yeah, I'll have another one on order. And if I start hating these paints, I can always switch them out and reuse this tool for something else. I don't know what, because I'm not sure what else would stick inside of these wells, this well. But time will tell, and I'll update you in the future. I will be doing a light fastness test on these. I'm going to stick this in my window for a while, so just keep checking my Instagram, which is Malamek Art. And that's it, just Malamek Art on Instagram. And I will be posting results of all the light fastness tests I've been doing. I may even make a video, who knows, because I mean, some other people would want to know if everything that I have are light fast. Gosh, I can't speak. So many thoughts going through my brain, they're all coming out at once. So yeah, I'm really impressed, and if you want, grab one at Amazon. I'm sure after a while these guys are going to raise their price if people start buying them up. So go grab one now, because the 42 one is only $19, and that's free shipping on Amazon if you have Amazon Prime. And if you go to AliExpress, it is $24.49, and they do free shipping via e-packet to the US. Or yeah, so this is an international place. You can get them here too, and they go all the way down to, I think, 12 set. It doesn't come up on my little old iPad mini. I'm trying to get the sizes here, but nothing pops up because this is super old. Yeah, so I think there's anywhere from 24, 33, I don't know. There's 4 different sizes of these. This is the one with the most. And I think it is the most narrow and smallest. And I think you're probably getting less when you get the most, but I don't know. I like having all of these colors right here. It's so cool. Thanks for joining me. We will see you again soon. And yeah, I think I might do a little time lapse with these. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Take care. here is my final painting, and I was afraid that it was not going to layer well, but it as soon as I got a few layers in, it started to build up some really great color. And I think these are great. I would probably use them again. I enjoy them. They're really easy to flick through, and it was kind of mindless, like I was just flicking through them to grab a color, and I would just grab it. And I love how that they dry so quickly. I mean, there's still some that are wet, but you're not going to get messy more than like this, I guess. Okay, fine, you will get a little messy, but that's kind of what painting's all about anyway. So the colors are really vibrant. This is a Canson XL watercolor paper cold press, and it works really well on it. I've had no problems. I enjoyed mixing more of darks because they don't give you a black, which is fine. You can always mix your own black. Yeah, okay. Well, thanks for joining me with this unboxing and review, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.